Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here. Super excited for this Paletteful Packs box. Um, I'm kind of annoyed that Paletteful Packs keeps sending my boxes like in the second week. Like, they cut off the date on the 15th, so what are they doing? Like, why can't they send out the boxes so that we get them like on the 1st or 2nd of the month? Like, the 8th is kind of ridiculous. So, and also, on YouTube, somebody had one of the products in their thumbnail and like with the words. So I know something that's in here, and that's not great. Like, I'm not excited about that, but that's what happens, you know. I mean, normally they're like blurry and stuff in thumbnails, so I can just kind of scroll past. But it's okay, it happens. So I know one thing in here, but I don't know the rest, so sorry for that long intro. Let's get into it. Boop, boop, doop, boop. Wow, 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 bam! Ooh, there are worms this time. Worms, and Posca pins, which is the thing that I knew about. Wow! It's a party in this box. Okay, there's some like big ones. I got pink and black. This is another black. It's a different size. Okay, and this is white. This looks weird. I don't know what that's about. And blue. Okay, blue and pink. That's nice colors. Those are pretty good colors. I like that. Alright. And let's look at the other stuff before I look at this. Okay, this looks like a tiny little canvas. It's an Art Alternatives canvas panel. Cotton canvas panel. Okay. Hello. My name is... I don't know what this is for, but cool. Hello. My name is... Ooh, shiny. It's a shiny sticker. Ooh, and a wood panel. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. This is really cool, actually. Even though it's Art Alternatives. You know, wood panel, birch surface, solid pine cradle. I don't know what that means, but, yeah. That's pretty cool. 5x7, a little big for me because I'm a small working artist, but maybe I'll do my challenge on this. I don't know. I might do it on this. I don't know. We'll find out. But let's put everything back here so you can all like see it. It's all shiny and cool looking. Okay, so let's read the stuff. It's very tiny. Looks like they have a lot to say about the Posca pins. There's like Posca user guide. So I'm not going to read that part, but I'm going to read the other stuff. Alright, and my webcam does not really want to focus, so sorry about that. Posca paint markers, medium, fine, extra fine, and brush. Ooh, brush. 5 markers. Are you ready to work with one of the best and most versatile markers on the earth? Non-toxic water-based Posca paint markers can be used on almost any surface and are loved by artists of all levels. The alcohol and solvent-free opaque paint covers well, is blendable, dries quickly, and can be overlaid when dry. The retail value of all of these is $29.94. So if that's true, then the markers are already the cost of the box. Or they're more than the cost of the box. Alright, so I'm just gonna skip all of this because you guys probably don't need to read. Nope, don't need to know that. I don't know, maybe you do. Let me know if I should read all that next time. Okay, canvas panel, 5x5. Yeah, I do like squares. Heck yeah, squares. This unbleached 3-ounce cotton panel is primed with acid-free acrylic titanium gesso to a finished weight of 8 ounce and wrapped around acid-free recycled paper board core. Retail $1.75. I don't even know what any of that just meant. I don't paint on canvases. I don't know what that means. Wood panel, 5x7. The 4mm hand-sanded birch wood surface is smooth and for detailed work and mounting. Ooh, the sturdy pine cradle adds support and allows for hanging without a frame. That's nice. Retail $5.45. So it's like $6 for a little wood panel. Huh. Bonus item, slap stickers. Channel your inner shepherd fairy with these slap stickers. I don't know what a shepherd fairy is. Do y'all know what a shepherd fairy is? Shepherd fairy? Fairy? I don't know. These stickers adhere to almost any surface, contoured to surfaces of any shape, and the bond becomes permanent over time. Wow. That's like some fancy stickers. These sound like serious stickers. I better not use them for just about anything. The bond becomes permanent. Oh, dang. Oh, snap. Alright. Alright, so, Paletteful packs, prompt, and challenge. Paletteful packs, prompt, and challenge. There we go. Slap sticker challenge. You want to see your sticker creation, snap a pic of your work. But it's scary. I don't want to stick it on something. Okay. Paletteful prompts in April are week 1 fruit. Well, guess what? We already passed week 1 Paletteful packs, so thanks for that. Week 2 space, week 3 geometric, and week 4 sign. So, I guess I'm gonna try to follow one of these. I'm gonna say maybe space or geometric. Because I like space, it's cool. Don't know how I'll do that with Posca pens, but I don't know. So I did really want some Posca pens, and these are kind of weird though. They're giant. But I have like one Posca pen. It's a white one and it's really thin. I don't see it, but I have it. And I got it so that I could use it like a white gel pen kind of. But yeah, so I really like the pink and blue colors that I got, but I wish I had have gotten another color than just 2 blacks. You know, like, I know that their blacks are important and all that, but like, I would have liked another color, you know? And I'm not a fan of art alternatives. Like, I'm just not. I mean, the wood panel is probably going to be chill, because it's just, you know, it's just a piece of wood panel. But I don't know, I just have used art alternatives products, and I'm not impressed. And it's kind of strange to me that they send it in like a subscription box, because it's like, I don't know, I'm not gonna talk anymore about it because I'm just rambling now. But I am excited for the Posca pens. Wish there was another color than black. The slap stickers are interesting, so that's cool that they included them. And yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna have to play around with the Poscas first, and I will see you guys then. But yeah, I wish that Paletteful packs would send them out earlier, because it really bugs me that I've been getting them like in the 2nd week of the month. Like, why is the cutoff date the 15th? Why? But alright, I digress. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you especially to my patrons, Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you forever. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you're interested in doing the same, check out my Patreon below. Whoop whoop. And also, if you like this video, click that like button. It would be awesome for me. And if you're new to my channel, it would be cool if you subscribe too. I'm so close to 100 subscribers. And yeah, leave a comment so that I can get to know you, because I like to talk to people and get to know you. So yeah, thanks so much for watching that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Can't wait to use these products. Bye now.